Hi, and welcome to another Richland Community Library Take and Make tutorial. Today we are going to be making tea light snowmen. Before we begin, I just want to draw your attention to the description box below the video where you will find written instructions as well as links for the supplies if you do not have them. Let's go over what you received in your kit. You will have 2 battery-operated tea lights, 1 red pipe cleaner, 4 pom-poms, 3 red ribbons, 2 white ribbons, and 2 sets of top hats on black felt. In addition to the kit, you will need a pair of scissors, a black Sharpie marker, and some hot glue. Step number 1, for our first snowman tea light, we are going to take the pipe cleaner. Using the edge of the tea light, you're going to cut the pipe cleaner approximately halfway around, and then secure it with hot glue. Once it's secure, you will add your pom-poms to either side. Then take your piece of red polka dot ribbon. Making a circle, you're going to adhere the 2 ends, leaving a little bit at the end. This will look like your scarf. Secure the scarf to your tea light at the back near the battery. As well as using a little drop of glue to secure it to the front. Next, take your white ribbon and tie it in a circle, and using your hot glue, glue it to the top head of your snowman. This will allow you to hang it from the tree. Then, finally, you will use your Sharpie marker to draw on your charcoal eyes and mouth. The next snowman will be wearing a top hat. Go ahead and cut the top hat out of the felt. You may use the extra piece of red ribbon to add a decoration to the top hat. I cut mine in half to make it a little bit thinner. Then glue your top hat to the tea light. Repeat this step to make your scarf and your hook, and finish with charcoal eyes and mouth. And there you have it, 2 tea light snowmen you can hang on your Christmas tree.